take a ride on the elevator at LLB Ross Park Mall. It's a 2008 Schindler 338 with HT veil resistant. Hope you enjoyed the video. Anyways, this is the elevator at the LL Bean store at Ross Park Mall. The rear still is yet to close. musicfreakcc and patricknedz filmed this one before. An elevator man got stuck in this. A6 is his least favorite elevator. As you see, got stainless steel cab like a parking garage. Here are 2R, 1 and 1R. Second floor stock room, second floor public area. Rear doors, rear and front door closing. Pretty nice actually. HT Vandal resistant, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone, control panel, 4,500 pound capacity, RT fire service, and your rear floor lockout. Rear door floor lockout. Hold up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video.